Hi, I'm Chief Meteorologist Tony Petrarca in the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this late Thursday afternoon. Partly sunny skies, a cool day. Looking at temperatures that so far have topped out mainly in the upper 40s to around 50 in westerlies. So overall not bad, but temps running below average by almost 10 degrees. A blend of clouds and sunshine as of this recording, which is at 4 o'clock. We are tracking our next system for Friday night, late Friday night. Early Saturday morning, mostly a cold rain, but for some of our northern suburbs, northwest Rhode Island, going to get a little wet snow. And we're going to talk more about that in just a second. In the meantime, we've got a cold night tonight under clearing skies. By sunrise tomorrow morning, winter chill in the upper 20s. Now, precipitation arriving Friday night. Now, this is like late Friday night, after midnight. In fact, the daylight hours of Friday, actually, it looks dry with some sunshine. And then that late night mixture of cold rain and wet snow moving in. Right now, still a half and half weekend with Sunday being the brighter and warmer day. Temperatures on Sunday well into the 50s, perhaps nudging 60. All right, satellite and radar composite showing a mix of clouds and sun across southern New England, a few showers out towards Cape Cod, some snow showers upstate New York, northern New England, but we are anticipated to stay cool and dry, actually cold and dry this evening and during the overnight. All right, our next weather system right below my picture right there. There it is. Tracking some moisture out of the Midwest. And this is headed our way for Friday night, late Friday night and into early Saturday morning. So that's where it's located right now. Take it into the future and advance this. It's streaking off to the east. Now, this is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. We've got a decent Friday afternoon. This precipitation is still across the Midwest. Doesn't get in here until late at night, pre-dawn hours of Saturday. So, the blue, which is snow, wet snow, notice that is in the interior and northern suburbs, and the green and yellow is rain, especially points south and east of Providence and along the coastline. So we advance this into, now this is 8 o'clock in the morning. The bulk of the at least the steady precipitation, is moving offshore, but we're locked in with clouds, kind of damp conditions. I think probably some flurries and sprinkles Saturday morning. And while it does dry out Saturday afternoon, it remains essentially cloudy. We really don't clear until probably sunset Saturday night. And that actually sets the stage for a much better Sunday. Let's get in real close, and we'll walk you through this hour by hour. And starting off this evening, clear, cold, winter chill. Look at these numbers dropping down. So by 8 o'clock in the morning, it's chilly, and then notice the clouds increasing by early evening. And then the precipitation, this is 11 o'clock at night on Friday night. We're still actually dry, but, this precip is just off to our west. So this is arriving around midnight. Northern suburbs, snow. South, it'll be rain. So as far as potential snowfall accumulations, and obviously this is clearly location dependent. First, here's the wider view, and then we'll get a close-up look. And clearly this is essentially north and west of Providence. So the high elevations of northwest Rhode Island, right in here, 1 to 2. Now, if you have travel plans up towards the Mass Pike, especially north of the Mass Pike, 3 to 4 up there. But for our viewing area, around the Route 95 corridor, which is right about in here, the upper portion of it, slushy coating. 295 north and west, probably going to pick up about an inch of slush. And then further north and west of that, 1 to 2. Further to the south, this is just mainly a rain situation. So we'll get in even closer here and get kind of a more detailed look as to how this plays out. Check back with us. Check back Friday morning, Friday afternoon, but, leaning towards the high elevations in the northwest suburbs where it's colder. So this light gray area represents the slushy coating. And then here's 295. So north and west of 295, slushy coating to up to an inch. And then you get into the highest elevations, Foster, Gloucester, right up in here. 1 to 2. So a general coating to 2 in this area right in here, and then just a slushy coating further south. There you go. So that's the early thinking right now. Again, check. In the meantime, we're just cold and dry tonight by 11 o'clock, 36. And for your Friday morning, looking at sunshine. Cold in the morning. Upper 20s to low 30s at sunrise, 47 by 11 a.m., and then during the afternoon hours, we're looking at sunshine to late day clouds, temps in the low 50s, and staying dry. Your sunset time at 7:29. Your Friday evening, 7, 8, 9, 10 o'clock, still dry. Midnight and beyond, that whole messy mixture arrives, and that does spill over into early on Saturday morning. So again, it's the late Friday night, early Saturday morning time frame that we're watching, and the precipitation type is location dependent. South and east of Providence, it's mainly a cold rain. Providence points north and west, especially the high elevations of northwest Rhode Island. It's more in the way of some wet snow. So check back with us. Regardless, it does improve by Saturday afternoon. It does dry out. Saturday night's not bad, and Sunday is 100 times better as far as comfort, bright and milder. All right, that's your latest forecast. Thanks for logging in. We'll talk to you soon.